What's up, online shoppers? If you are tired of juggling a bunch of appliances on your countertop just to get supper on the table, let me show you something that I just purchased. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get this in my kitchen. It's the Chefman air fryer, and it is the Swiss Army knife of kitchen gadgets. Just to show you what it's gonna look like when you get it out of the box, let's take a peek. Oops, there was the manual. This is the rotisserie attachment right here. Now, first of all, this is not just an air fryer. It's a rotisserie, a dehydrator, a convection oven, and even a roaster. 5 appliances in one super sleek little package. Let's plug this one in here so you can see what exactly it does. And with 17 different touchscreen presets right here, it takes all the guesswork out of cooking. Just tap and go. It's that simple. That is the primary reason why I purchased this, because I have a busy family. We're always going different places in different directions at the same time. And you just want to know that your family's going to be able to eat good food, even if you're not around. Digital display, you can see the temperature, time, choose bake, air fry, dehydrate, stop or cancel anything at a time and a temperature. And here are your little presets here as well. Vegetable, meat, fish, chicken, and French fries. French fries are a favorite at our house. Now let's open up the drawer here and show you what else is in here. One of the things that I thought was really cool about this was that it had these really neat little trays. My boys eat a lot of pizzas, and these little trays here, screens, which means things are gonna get nice and crispy on the bottom and on the top. A drip tray in here, so you can put this right at the bottom. So here are the rotisserie attachments, and how do you use it? Well, the rod's gonna fit in here. So you're gonna put your rotisserie attachment onto the rod like this and tighten it below the second notch. And when I do this, I usually alternate them like this so that I can hold the meat from both sides. So whether it's a chicken or a roast, pork chop, whatever you want to rotary cook. So now that we have it set, we're going to put this in here like this and then just drop this one into the little slot. And now it is ready to rotary cook. Handle for removing the racks without burning yourself. All you have to do is put this in here and hook and slide. And you can see that you can actually get the rack out of the air fryer. Of course, you can then move it out with your oven mitt. Really nice. And what else do I also love? No preheating required. You get that nice, crispy, crunchy texture, golden to the finish, and fast, thanks to its rapid air circulation inside. A 10-liter capacity. That definitely makes this a family-sized air fryer. Being able to peek in through the window here, definitely an added bonus. No more opening up to check every 2 minutes to see if something is done. Healthier meals are also a definite bonus. That guilt-free feeling of being able to eat food that isn't dripping in oils and fat because that's how you've had to fry it. Built-in drip tray definitely helps to keep your messes contained. Anything that drips from your rack, you just take this out, clean it, and wipe it. A quick clean and wipe on the inside, and you are ready to go yet again. Take a look at the space in here. That's a lot of space. And to continue on in the cleaning vein, all of the parts that come out are dishwasher friendly. So whether you're roasting a whole chicken for lunch or making some quick snacks, or even maybe warming up your leftovers for lunch, this Chefman air fryer is just going to make it all too easy to do. And it's also something that's super family friendly and easy enough to understand with those 17 presets so that just about anybody, adult supervision required, can heat up their lunch, cook a quick meal, and enjoy something that is healthier because it is not cooked dripping in oil. And hey, fewer appliances on your countertop means a more clutter-free kitchen and more room for good coffee. So if you are looking for an air fryer that will fit a family, that will give you lots of options, this one here by Chefman is absolutely a chef's kiss, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a family favorite at our house.